Hello and how are you? In this short video, I am going to introduce you to the concepts of profiting. And in this case, I am going to make a distinction between economic profit and accounting profit. But before I make that distinction, may I first of all define profit. When we talk of profit, we are referring to the difference between the costs that are incurred into the production process or the costs that are incurred in business operations minus the revenues that are obtained after producing or after selling the goods and services. So to obtain the profit, you simply deduct costs from revenue. And of course, we have different types of profit. We have two types. We have the implicit cost and the explicit cost. The implicit cost is simply the indirect costs or the opportunity costs, the costs that we do not normally take into consideration when we are calculating profit. But the explicit costs are the direct costs that we normally take into consideration when we are calculating profit. They include the total costs of production, the variable costs, and even the fixed costs. So the implicit cost, the explicit cost is the summation of the total costs, the total variable costs, and the total fixed costs. Therefore, my aim here is to distinguish between the accounting profit and the economic profit. Of course, when accountants are calculating profit, normally they will take the difference between the total revenue and the total cost, and the results obtained will represent the profits that businessmen obtains after selling their goods and services. But in economics, when we are calculating profit or when we are discussing profit, we normally take into consideration the opportunity cost. Now, what is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost is the next best alternative forgone when choice is made. So wherever you make a choice, there are some benefits that you forgo by ignoring some choices. By making a certain choice, you ignore some choices. So the benefits that you would have derived by either investing or investing your capital in those alternatives is what we call the opportunity cost. So take an example that maybe you have 100 million Tanzanian shillings that you wish to invest in. If you decide, for example, to invest that money maybe into the insurance company, and maybe you had two options. One is to invest into the insurance company, and the other maybe is to invest maybe into the wholesale shop, let's say at Kariakoo. So if you decide to invest into the insurance company, there are some benefits that you have foregone. So there are some benefits that you have foregone by deciding to invest in the insurance company and not investing into the wholesale shop at Kariakoo. So economists, the emphasis here is that a businessman, a business person, has first of all to make a proper analysis or a proper evaluation of the business avenue, business venture that you want to invest in. So with those two options, you're supposed to make an assessment of the wholesale shop to see whether it is profitable, and to make an assessment of the insurance company to see whether your investment of 100 million Tanzanian shillings is profitable before you can make a decision, before you can make a choice, because the choice you make will result into an opportunity cost. And of course, when the decision you make is worse compared to the choice you have left, that means that your opportunity cost is high. Therefore, the difference here between accounting profit and economic profit is that economic profit considers the opportunity cost of investing your capital into a certain type of business and ignoring the other type of business. Therefore, the key point here is that before you decide to invest your capital into a certain venture, you have to make a proper analysis. You have to make a good decision in such a way that you don't regret the decision that you make. Your opportunity cost, you have to make sure that the decision you make has the lowest opportunity cost compared to the decision you have left. So my name is Vincent Stanislaus. I am the assistant lecturer working with the Open University of Tanzania, the Faculty of Business Management, Department of Marketing and Entrepreneurship. Thank you for listening and have a good time.